Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Thursday the 21st of December. These are the last TA for Trader videos from this year, so I've donned my Christmas sweater and I'll try and bring you some cheer. However, in this video I'm covering the gold price, so it's not all cheery. Gold has bounced recently and has come up against the resistance of the downtrending moving averages. It's also losing upside momentum. I don't think it's going to go much higher. Let's look at those charts. Okay, so starting with the weekly, and you can see that we've had 2 up weeks now on the gold price. That's taken it back above the 50-week moving average, which is this blue line, which is positive. And I do believe this is the dominant factor for the market. If we can stay above that 50-week, which is at 1261.05, then we could then perhaps move up to the next resistance level, which is the downtrend in 20 at 1287.36. However, you can see that the RSI is in a downtrend. That's negative. It's also below 50, 47.89, so it's still indicative of negative momentum. Also, the MACD are tracking down, and the short term, which is the blue line, has just gone below 0, so again showing negative momentum. On the daily picture, you can see that we're having trouble getting back above the downtrending 20-day moving average, which is this yellow line. That's causing difficulty. Above there, we've got the downtrending 50 line, which would be the next resistance, but there is also the 200-day line, which actually is moving up. If we can get back above there, that's 1269.76. That could give perhaps a boost, but let's wait to see if that happens. Momentum, although it has picked up, is still slightly negative, with the RSI 48.7. The MACD short term has moved back above long term, but they are below 0, so still indicative negative momentum, but they are turning. On the 4-hour picture, here we've managed to hold above the 24-hour, and that is actually giving support, so that's quite good. 50 is coming up again, which is also good. There wasn't a golden cross as the 20 crossed the 50. Be aware of that, so that's not that positive. And on the upside, there is the downtrending 200-day moving average. Here, RSI is bubbling along, 58.76, still above 50, but not showing any oomph to get any higher. And the MACD do look like they are rolling. Looking at the support and resistance levels, we've got resistance from the 20-day at 66.09, then from the 50-day 74.07, with supports coming in from the 20 at the 4-hour 63.73 and the 50 from the 4-hour 55.6. So this has been TA for Traders, having a look at the gold price, returning to the gold price. The key takeaways from the video: we've bounced up to resistance. The moving average development is critical. I'm saying that the 50-week is perhaps the dominant, so we need to stay above that level. But there is the 20-day resistance to the upside, be aware of that, and the 200. Still limited upside momentum, and really I do still expect a drift. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video and all the other videos I've done through the year. If you're new to TA for Traders, do subscribe. You then get regular emails when I come out with my videos over 2 or 3 days of each week. I don't just cover the commodities, I look at the FX, equity indices and single stocks in the UK and the US. I'll put a disclaimer on after the video. Please do read that. It just explains these videos are for educational purposes and are my opinion, and they are not an investment recommendation. Thank you. Oh, do listen to the jingle bells as we play a disclaimer. Thank you.